Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to change your name on Origin or EA. So all you have to do is follow these steps. Well, there is some many methods to do so. So the first one will be is just to go to your and click on your EA ID and click on my profile and edit profile. In here you will find that it will set a nickname. Well, a nickname is not necessarily the EA ID. So if I just add a nickname here, it will be added. As you can see, it is added here, but we couldn't change the EA ID. If you want to do so, all you have to do is go to the settings from here, this menu, or you can just click on your profile picture and click on it and go to settings. After we do so, you will find here the settings and go to my account settings. You will find a button that says manage in my profile section. When we click on it, it will transfer us to the customer portal or the settings panel in the website. As you can see, we should be on the About Me section. And now in the basic information, we can change our EA ID. We just click on EA ID and you can just change it. As you can see, I added another U and I will click on save and we'll find that your name is already changed. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.